How to fix cannot resize windows on Windows. 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. Alt plus spacebar or Win plus down arrow 2. Check your display resolution. And scale settings. 3. Turn off the tablet mode. PowerShell command, shutdown /s/f/t0. 4. Check Explorer add-ons via Shell X View. 5. Restore your system. 6. Perform an in-place upgrade. 7. Repair your system. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthism/online/cleanupimage/check healthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health.